Did you know story meditation can help your body remember how to feel safe? It's more than just listening. It's allowing a story to guide your nervous system back to balance. Dissolve your anxiety through visualization and create a new you. Take a slow, deliberate breath in and release it softly, letting your shoulders soften. I'm Leanna, your gentle guide on this journey to emotional renewal. Imagine a river before you, flowing gently, winding through the landscape of your mind. Your anxiety appears as ripples on the surface, moving, shifting, never fixed. Breathe in, and as you exhale, watch the ripples spread outward, becoming thinner, calmer. Step closer, noticing the water's color, ever-changing, alive. Each hue reflects a part of your thoughts. Bright, dim, heavy, light. You do not need to hold them. You are simply observing. Gently repeat in your mind, I can notice my thoughts and still feel the ground beneath me. I can feel my tension and allow it to soften. Step onto a wide, sturdy pedal floating on the river, feeling its gentle support beneath your feet. Notice how the water moves around it, flowing, unresisting. This pedal is your center, calm, steady, present. Breathe in. Breathe out. Sense the river of your mind settling into gentle rhythm. Gently repeat in your mind, I can transform worry into awareness. I can let fear soften into understanding. You breathe with ease. You carry both calm and clarity within you. Breathe in. Breathe out. You are present. You are grounded. You are the calm beneath every ripple. As you stand on your pedal, notice how the water around you looks different. Where it once rushed and shimmered wildly, it now moves like glass, smooth and deliberate. Take a slow, steady breath in. Feel your chest rise, your shoulders loosen. Exhale gently through your mouth. A soft mist drifts across the surface. When you lean closer, you see your reflection ripple in and out of focus. Each ripple carries a thought, a worry, a memory. Breathe in. Watch how the water gathers your reflection. Breathe out. Watch how it releases it again. Each circle widens, softens, fades. The river doesn't fight its reflections. It simply holds them, lets them pass. You feel your own breath mirror that rhythm, Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Notice how the water breathes with you. You reach your hand toward the surface. The reflection trembles, then steadies. For a moment, it's as if your reflection is looking back at you with understanding, not judging, just seeing. Take a gentle breath in. Feel it move through your body. Let it settle into the quiet. Repeat in your mind. I see that anxiety is not an enemy. It is a wave of energy, a signal that I am alive, thinking, feeling. I can watch it rise and fall without clinging or resisting. A leaf lands gently on the surface. It floats across, carried by the slow current. You follow it with your eyes until it disappears downstream. Repeat in your mind. I understand that trying to control every thought only tightens its hold. Letting it move through me frees both the thought and myself. Anxiety is a visitor, not the master of my mind. Breathe in again. Feel the air soften inside you. Breathe out. Allow the quiet to widen within. The river reflects the sky now. Soft pinks and golds unfolding like calm itself. You realize the water was never separate from the light. It was always waiting to reveal it. Repeat in your mind. I am not my worries. I am the awareness that watches them rise, shimmer and dissolve. I can release what no longer serves me and return to the clarity beneath the ripples. You breathe again, deeper this time. And in that breath, you feel something ease within you, like the river finding its quiet course. Breathe in, breathe out. You are clear. You are steady. You are the reflection and the flow. Step out of the water. Walk along the riverbank, following its gentle curve into a new path. The path leads you into a hidden grove. Soft moss cushions your feet, and scattered stones glow faintly, like embers beneath the surface. Take a slow, full breath in. Feel the earth beneath you. Exhale, letting your body settle into the support of the ground. Notice the air around you. Cool, still, carrying a faint mineral scent and a quiet hum as if the stones themselves are alive. Each step you take creates a subtle ripple of light across the stones. Reach down and touch one of the glowing stones. Feel its warmth and steady energy under your hand. Gently repeat in your mind, I am rooted in strength, supported by the earth, and open to the quiet wisdom around me. I trust the rhythm of my own life, and I move with calm purpose. Continue walking along the path, noticing how each stone glows differently. Some brighter, some softer. Each glow reflects a part of you. Your courage, your clarity, your patience. All is connected. All is in balance. Breathe in. Breathe out. Sense your body syncing with this gentle rhythm of light and stone. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let the calm of the stones ripple through you. Gently repeat in your mind, I see my inner light, steady and unshaken, even when the world moves around me. I release fear and doubt, and I allow my courage and wisdom to guide each step. Walk farther along the glowing stones. With each step, feel your connection to the earth deepen, and the light within you grow brighter. Gently repeat in your mind, I am aligned with the flow of life, trusting that every challenge carries a gift of growth. I am grounded, resilient, and open to the possibilities that surround me. Take one final breath in. Exhale fully. Feel the quiet, steady energy of the stones settle into your body and mind. Gently repeat in your mind, I am rooted, calm, and strong. I carry clarity and peace within me wherever I go. I am the light beneath every shadow, the stillness beneath every movement. You are rooted. You are calm. You are the glow that illuminates your path. Whenever you wish, you can return to this place, walking along the river, touching the glowing stones, and resting in this calm. This channel is here for you, a quiet space to come back to whenever you need to reconnect. recharge, and remember your inner light. Breathe in. Breathe out. You are present. You are steady. You are the calm, the light and the stillness within.